Good morning to everyone. Myself, Aksha. I'm your English teacher. Today, we'll go for the lesson 1.1 Life. Today, we'll go for lesson 1.1 Life. Take out your textbook, page number 3. Take out your textbook, page number 3. Life. Life we live is not a dream, so dark as sages say. After little morning rain, foretells a pleasant day. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but these are transient all. If the shower will make the roses bloom, oh, why lament it fall? Rapidly, merrily, life's sunny horse flit by. Gratefully, cheerily, enjoy them as they fly. What though death at times steps in and calls our best away? What though sorrow seems to win or hope a heavy sway? Yet hope again elastic springs. Unconquered though she fell, still buoyant are her golden wings. Still strong to bear as well. Manfully, fearlessly, the day of trail bear. For gloriously, victoriously, can courage quill despair. See children, life. Life means, yes, life means that we are living now. Is it children? Yes. Life believe is not a dream. It is not like a dream. So dark as sages say, it is so dark. It is so dark of little morning rain. It like a little morning rain. Foretells a pleasant day. It is like pleasant day. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom. The life is sometimes like clouds of gloom. But these are transient all. But these are continuing all. If the shower will make the roses bloom. If the shower will make the roses bloom. Oh, why lament it fall? Why it will fall? After the rose bloom, na children, it will not stay like that. It will fall. Like that, it fall. Rapidly, merrily, life's sunny hours fled by gratefully, cheerily enjoy them as they fly. See, the life was like flying like a bird. We can enjoy like gratefully, cheerily and merrily. Enjoy them as they fly. What though death at times steps in and call our best away? See what they death. Whatever the death at times steps means the times steps in and call our best away. The best will be time. The best will be coming on the steps. What though sorrow seems to win, oh hope your heavy safe. What the happiness or sorrow we seems to win, but we will hope that it is heavy. It is heavy. Head hope again will stack its springs, unquarried though she fell. Still bound are here golden wings, still strong to bear as will. See, it is like a springs. It is like a elastic springs. But though shall fill, it can be filled. Still, the golden wings. It likes her golden wings. Still strong to bear as well. We should be strong bearers. Manfully, fearlessly, the day of trial bear. For gloriously, victoriously can courage quill despair. See the man fully fearlessly. How you be fear or something? The day of trail begin. It for gloriously, victoriously, and your courage quill of despair. Yes. Today we complete this poem. See children, take out your 96 pages book. Take out your 96 pages book and start writing the 1.1 life and write this full poem in your book. Okay children, take out your 96 pages long notebook and write lesson 1.1 life and write this full poem with neat handwriting. Okay children, and tomorrow we'll continue the exercise. Tomorrow we'll be continuing the exercise.